Now, the Bengaluru COVID story just seems to be getting more critical and worse over the days. In fact, over 9,000 cases have been added in Bengaluru just over the past 1 week. Now, the state government has mandated that serious and moderate cases are the ones who will be hospitalized, and those who are asymptomatic will be sent to the COVID care centers if they require extra treatment. But the concern over here is that there are only 400 odd beds which are left available in the COVID care centers, though the number of allocated beds, of course, are higher, but only 470 or 450 odd beds which are left for the asymptomatic coronavirus patients in Bengaluru. And this is important because 76% of the patients in Bengaluru are asymptomatic. I'm joined by my colleague Neha Hedbale for more on this. Neha, so as we know that asymptomatic patients, of course, have the option of quarantining themselves at home, but the ones who feel that they need certain medical treatment or they want to go to a healthcare facility, for them the options seem to be narrowing. Tell us more about that.
Tanima rightly said narrowing is the word. We're seeing how, initially, of course, the Karnataka government had allotted about, had allocated about 2,100 COVID care center beds. But today we're seeing that, of course, with the number of asymptomatic patients actually increasing on a daily basis, that there are only 459 beds. Now, this is a worrisome thought, Tanima, like you said, because let's just give you an understanding of what this actually means and how many days the beds are actually going to run out in. Now, from what we understand, on a daily basis, Bengaluru is seeing anywhere nearly close to 1,500 to 2,000 cases. Now, of these, if you look at an average of, about 76% actually being asymptomatic, that brings us to nearly about 1,000 patients on a daily basis that are, turning out to be asymptomatic. Now, for many of these patients, Tanima, they're unable to quarantine themselves at home because there are several conditions that a home quarantine place has to, of course, fulfill, right from, not having any other family members around to actually having all the facilities for asymptomatic patients. So several people or several patients for that matter are choosing the COVID care centers. Now, to give you an understanding, there are 8 COVID care centers in Bengaluru, and of the total, we have just about 460 beds remaining. So this is definitely a cause of concern, and alarm bells are ringing in Karnataka. If we go on to actually tell you about the other facility, which is currently, which was mired in controversy till about 4 days ago, that is the BIEC, or the Bangalore International Exhibition Center, which the Karnataka government boasted about a sprawling 10,000 bed facility. But unfortunately, owing to, of course, some confusion within the government itself about renting the beds or buying the beds at the center, we're now seeing that even this center is currently not ready to occupy. So essentially, of course, Anima, maybe in a day or two, we're seeing that, possibly the beds in Karnataka for asymptomatic patients would run out, and the government of Karnataka will have to act on this quickly and, get the BIEC center ready at the earliest.
That's right. Another place where we can see the health infrastructure in a way is struggling to keep up with the rise in cases. Neha, thank you so much for joining us with that.